While the Prophet ﷺ was in the market, somebody called, "O Abul Qasim." The Prophet ﷺ turned to him. The man said, "I have called to this," that is another man. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Name yourselves by my name, but not by my kunya." That means nickname. In Arabic world, it is the custom to call the man as the father of his eldest son, that is Abul Qasim. Al Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 3, hadith number 331.